Garika Mitra and I'm your presenter for the day at Express Computer. Well, to begin with and to take you through a tour around the IT space, let me first give you a download of what exactly happened at the Consumer Electronics Show or the CES that literally rocked the world at Las Vegas last week. Well, imagine on a lazy Sunday you have this sudden craving for a tofu sandwich and your lazy bones actually don't allow you to do that. To address this exact problem, Samsung has come up with its Samsung Bot Chef that presents a bot that prepares you an exotic sandwich. So now the bot would be using its two hands, one to chop vegetables and the other to pour oil so that your exotic sandwich is ready within seconds. Well, Samsung never really fails to surprise us, does it? Because it's also launching its Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and Note 10 Lite that are available at premium prices and are available with bigger camera quality, bigger batteries and S Pens. Moving on to some serious IT news, Microsoft has begun a new initiative under the title of Highway for 100 Unicorn. This is specifically entitled to scale startups and around 54 startups have been participating in the same. This is also targeted towards the tier 2 cities with its presence in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Hyderabad, Telangana and Kerala. Coming to my third news, Paytm has said that it has become the largest issuer of FASTag users in India with around 3 million FASTag users currently. Coming to my last piece of news, there have been ongoing speculations in the market that Tesla cars would soon be talking to pedestrians, asking them to either hop up or leave the way on congested road. This is as per a hint by Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Now, if things turn well and if things go as per plan, this feature would soon be available in Tesla electric cars. Well, that's all from me and the IT space this week. If you have any suggestions that would help us scale up better and would help us perform better in the near videos, you can obviously write back to us or reply in the comment section below. But before that, if you like the video, show us some love, yeah?